What is up, guys? Right in front of me is the Xprinter Xp-T361U. We got this in the white version. This is a 80mm diameter thermal printer that prints both thermal receipt and thermal sticker. What comes with the box will be the power adapter that I've already placed. So we can just quickly boot this up. Then we've got the USB to printer cable. Then we have the holder for your thermal sticker. So at the back, we have the on-off button. Then we have the cable for your power adapter. Then this is the RJ11 for your cash drawer. And lastly, this will be the USB-B for the printer. USB. Then on the side, this is your open button where you will put your thermal receipt. And to the front, we have a pause button and feed button. So that will be your overall button placements. On the bottom, you've got your serial number. Are doing a test print, so to connect, I've already connected, but when you go into the Bluetooth, you see that I've already connected to T361U. So the password is just 0000. I just did a test print with the 4 barcode app. This, I think, is one of the compatible models. So let's do a quick test print. So just wanna show you guys if you plan to change the setting from the thermal sticker to thermal receipt. You just have to close your printer, then you hold the pause button here. Then after turning it on, we wait for a few seconds for this one. 2 beeps. After 2 beeps, it will show that it's on label mode. Then you click the feed button again. It will go back to receipt mode. And that's how you do it. And for the placement of your thermal printer, it should be facing upward and not downwards. So guys, I tried to play around the Loyverse app, and I noticed that it only works if it's in receipt mode. So again, like what I taught you earlier on how to change the setting from label to receipt, then I changed it to receipt mode. I put in the receipt, and in the app, as you can see, this is the Loyverse app. I have it's under other model. Yes, under Bluetooth, and the printer is the 361U. So again, that's the 58mm. Anyway, but I tried to do a test print and it works. Right. So it works, I guess, for thermal receipt, because for the longest time it won't work with our stickers.